Welcome to another segment of our Partner Spotlight series, brought to you by the members of the Regional Chronic Disease Collaborative. The Regional Chronic Disease Collaborative members work together, combining their resources and expertise to help prevent the development and progression of chronic disease across our region. Our Partner Spotlight initiative is to help share innovative approaches being used throughout our region to improve population health.
Amber Nolte is the Program Manager for the Chronic Disease Prevention Program at the Wyoming Department of Health. Amber, thank you for joining me today. I'm very excited to spotlight some of the work being done by the Wyoming Department of Health Chronic Disease Prevention Program. Can you describe for us the Wyoming Community Cares events and the goals with this initiative?
Yeah, absolutely, Deb. So our program has started hosting these community cares events across Wyoming because it's becoming more evident, not only to us, but on that national scale, that people are really not able to focus on their health, especially their chronic conditions, when their social needs are not being met. So our program has started hosting these lunch events to bring together community-based organizations, healthcare, and state programs to network and showcase what services they offer the community, and ultimately to create connections and awareness that would result in referrals to those services down the line. I really think, public health is all about being a matchmaker and getting people to services they need and finding organizations that offer those services. So the real goal of this event series was to create professional connections and increase community referrals to ultimately improve the health and well-being of Wyoming residents.
Wonderful. They've been fun to attend, and I am excited to do more. What results and what changes have you seen because of these events?
So we have hosted 5 events in 5 different counties so far. And we do plan to hold a 6th and a 7th this year as well. We've had just amazing engagement from local organizations. In total, across those 5 events, there have been 197 organizations represented, 365 total participants, and 54 referrals made after the fact.
So the events are considered successful, and we know, being on the team, that we've made some adjustments and changes to some of the events based upon lessons that we've learned from the previous events. So if someone else wanted to have a community care event, the CARES events, what would you recommend, or what would your advice be to them?
Yeah, so, our program and our partners, like you said, Deb, have learned so much after hosting each one of these events. And I think the advice that we would give is to have fun with it and be willing to get a little creative. Every one of these communities has been just so grateful that we've brought them this event and this opportunity to really network with other organizations in their area. And I think taking the plunge into hosting this sort of unique event was the scariest, but actually doing it and continuing to do it has been hugely beneficial.
I agree. And I'm excited about our next event that will be in Casper, Wyoming. So thank you so much for your time today.
If you are interested in sharing your innovative approach, please contact one of these Mountain Pacific representatives. Thank you so much.